maybe about $500. We've already made 3 times over this year. Even though this piano's not worth a lot of money, it still looks great in the showroom.
Oh,